Hello, lovelies. Welcome to Owusu's Kitchen. I am so excited to have you here today because I will be sharing with you my top 5 yummy and healthy smoothies for breakfast or any other meal you may wish to replace. To you beautiful people stopping by for the first time, please subscribe. Yes, click that subscription button. Thank you so much. And to my subscribers, I really appreciate you. In no particular order, I present to you my tropical smoothie. Yes, pamper yourself with this one. You will need 1 cup of frozen pineapples and papaya, half banana, mint, which is optional, and pour over a cup of coconut water or coconut milk and blend together to perfection. Pineapples are loaded with nutrients that boost immunity. Papaya promotes good eye health. It helps with weight loss, diabetes, and kidney health. It surely tastes divine too. And please do not forget to leave me a thumbs up. The next on my list is Oatmeal Smoothie. Yes, guys, I know it doesn't look the part, but I can assure you this is going to be one of your favorites. It tastes so good and it really keeps you full for longer. To begin with, soak your oats for about 5 minutes and in your blender, add 1 banana, your soaked oats, 1 spoonful of peanut butter, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, any sweetener of your choice. You may use honey if you wish, and 1 cup of milk, and blend together until you have a smooth and creamy texture. Oats are incredibly nutritious. It is good for your heart. It may lower cholesterol and help improve your blood pressure. And anyone who knows about bananas and peanuts will testify how great the two goes together. Peanuts are high in protein, and cinnamon, as you know, is loaded with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Go ahead and sprinkle some more nuts. Cross your legs and enjoy. Next to come is Mango Delight. Yeah, it even has a name because I am obsessed with this. These are my ingredients: 1 cup vanilla yogurt, a cup of mango, half banana, half cup of milk, and a few drops of vanilla extract. And you're on your way to this yummy, creamy smoothie. Mango helps in maintaining cholesterol level. It cleanses your skin, it is high in fiber, and a great source of vitamin C. Likewise, potassium in banana is good for blood pressure and also helps with digestion. The fourth on my list is what I call Spinach Goodness. No, my dear, do not be put off by the title. Not only is this packed with amazing nutrients, but it tastes so good too. All you need is a handful of baby spinach, a stick of celery, 1 cup of blueberries, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 spoonful of honey, and blend together with a cup of almond milk. Celery reduces inflammation and it is rich in minerals. Spinach, as we know, is a source of vitamin A, C, magnesium, and iron, and it reduces blood pressure too. Turmeric is well known to improve arthritis, and you don't even taste the spinach in the smoothie at all. Last but not the least, I will be sharing with you a great refreshing smoothie. The ingredients are frozen watermelon and strawberries, and please add honey to sweeten it up if your fruits are not sweet. Because watermelon contains so much water, I will be blending without water. Initially, it will be difficult to blend, but just take it off and shake it up and put it back to blend. This will quench your thirst so much, and there is no need telling the taste. Have a go. Try this and be sure to comment back. Strawberries are shaped like hearts for a reason. It is the first clue that this fruit is good for you. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and please do not forget to subscribe. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed. Bye.